Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel. Friends, what we had discussed yesterday is that if the market opens in and around this particular range, we can follow this process. If the market breaks, then it can go well up to 17,777. In the morning Telegram update, I also told all of you that at 777, if it takes the resistance, it may come down. Watch for that. And if it breaks 777, then it may go up. Watch for that. Now, friends, so the market opened gap up, and after opening gap up, it further went up at 777. It took a resistance, and from here it came down. And friends, if you had sat on a put, if any one of you would have sat on a put, I'm pretty sure that you wouldn't have made money, because it came down, it went up, came down, went up, came down, went up. So at any point of time, it would have scared all of you that whether to sit on a put or the stop loss would be hit. For example, for me, friends, I sat on a put here, stop loss was hit. I sat on a put here, I came here, then my 30-point stop loss was hit here. Again, I sat on a put, again stop loss was hit. So 3 times my stop loss was hit, and I stopped trading for the time being. This was not followed. Then subsequently, when this movement happened, I had captured this movement to some extent. So while for trading purpose, for buying purpose, this was not a very good market, but for selling, this was definitely a good one, and I made profits on selling. Now, what can happen tomorrow now? Friends, the market has given a very good closing. The closing is 17,800. It's a very fantastic closing. But now I take you to a daily chart. My friends, I've deleted all the lines because none of the lines are relevant now. So I'm taking it to a daily chart. And if you see on a daily basis, so on a daily basis, the market has even closed above this particular inside candle, which is the 30th of August. It's closed above, so it's given a bullish closing. But I have not carried any position because today is Thursday. Had this position been there, had this breakout been there on a Monday or a Tuesday or on a Friday, I would have carried it over. But today being Thursday, I have not carried because I do not know whether the breakout is real or the breakout would be fake. Like for example, when here it broke, it came down. So it was a fake breakout here. Now on the weekly candle also, what I see is that it has broken the high of the last week. So it is on a bullish side. Okay. And so friends, I hope you have not carried anything. You may have a huge profit tomorrow, but as a principle on Thursdays, if such breakouts happen, I don't carry. I carry if it is on a Friday breakout or a Monday breakout, I'll carry, but on a Thursday breakout, I'll not carry it. So let's go back to a 5-minute chart. The market has closed at 17,800. Now, friends, the only I'm giving you one level, that is 17,850. I shall draw this level. 17,850. 17,850. If the market, whether by flat opening or by gap up opening, is forming one candle, one 5-minute candle above 17,850, I shall go long with the SL of this, or SL of 17,800. So I'll keep a 50-point SL tomorrow. I shall take an at the money call because then the delta would be much lower. And a 50 point in index would be around 30 points in options. So I'll take an at the money call tomorrow if the market either by gap up or by flat opening and going up closes on a 5-minute candle above 17,850, I shall go long. What would be my target? Friends, I'm giving you from here, my target would be, I can tell you, I can just wait, I'll tell you where I shall keep my target. So this would be my target, 17,993. So if this happens, if it's closing above this, then my target that I'm going to keep is 17,993. Okay. It's a very long target, but it's definitely achievable tomorrow. Okay. So that's on the upside. On the downside, if this particular low of today is broken, and this low is 17,692. So only if this low is broken and a 5-minute candle closes below this, then I'll consider this breakout as a false breakout. If the low is broken and the candle is forming below this, whether by flat opening or gap down, flat opening and coming down, or by gap down, if this low is broken, which is 17,692, then I'll consider this as a false breakout, and I will sit on a put with a SL of this particular, with an SL of here, with an SL of, hold on, here, 17,717 or 17,720. So with SL of 17,717, I will take a put if the 17,692 is broken. Okay. So that's my plan for tomorrow. I'll summarize it for you. Whether the market opens flat or anywhere in between, goes up, breaks 17,850, closes above this on a 5-minute candle, whether by opening flat or by gap up, but one candle has to close above this. I shall sit on a call with an SL of 17,800, and this will be my SL. SL would be this particular point, which is 17,807. Okay. So with that SL, I will take an at the money call, so that the SL is 30 points at the money. And with that, I will wait for my target of 17,992. Okay. This is the most probable scenario tomorrow. But if there's a false breakout, like what happened earlier, which means for this to prove that this is a false breakout, the market has to come down below 17,691. If it is coming down below 17,691, then with an SL of 17,717, I shall sit on a put. And in that case, I'll again maintain my target as way down below, which will be 17,484. Because if a false breakout happens, then the market is going to go down further below. Okay. That's from my side, friends. Thank you very much. Sayonara. Cheers. Bye-bye. If you like what I'm saying, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share also. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.